Michael was our only child and we adored him. He was beautiful, he was kind, he was fun. The things he brought to our lives were immeasurable, really. He brought love and laughter.
He was mad about sport. If you look around you in our home, you'll see plenty of evidence of that. He liked being into a sport that not everyone liked. And he used to give presentations in school about Indian cricketers, which people must have found quite strange. He would learn off the capitals of the world and the flags of the world. 6:30 in the morning, we'd hear a rustle from his bedroom, and it was him just getting up to grab a book, and he'd go back to bed and he'd be reading the book when we'd get up.
He was just immersing himself in other worlds, and the books took him everywhere. Lego was a huge interest of his. He pretty much bought them all and made them all.
He also liked golf because I liked golf, and he tended to do things I liked.
2 years ago, Michael was 6 years old and he had just started experiencing some headaches. He'd started to look at the television in a peculiar way. They did various tests and CT scans, and they confirmed that there was a tumour at the base of his spine, and his official diagnosis was medulloblastoma. He would have to undergo radiation in Germany and 9 months of chemotherapy, but the prognosis was good. An MRI was carried out just in March of last year, and unfortunately we were told that the cancer had returned and that it would not only be terminal but it would be very aggressive.
Our priority became to give him, in his final months, as good a time as we could. The social worker Niall in Crumlin suggested we get in touch with Make-A-Wish. We were really just looking for a video message from Rory. We didn't think anything beyond that. Probably 3 weeks later or so, a message came in from Rory. It included, of course, an invitation from Rory for Michael to meet him at the K Club for the Irish Open in September. We didn't think Michael would be well enough, but come the morning of the Irish Open Pro-Am, courtesy car from the BMW was at the door. Off we went, and he was brought out on the buggy to the 9th hole, inside the ropes. Then Rory come down from the 9th tee and say to Michael, "Would you like to play this hole with me?" So amazing. Then when he got to the green, Rory pulled out a putter, which was an exact replica of his own putter, and asked Michael did he want to take a few putts, and he did.
When we say that Make-A-Wish went above and beyond, like they thought of everything possible that Michael could have wanted.
Anytime I meet someone and talk to them about Michael, I immediately send them the video. It just captures our child in such a beautiful light.
Yeah, it really does him justice. The day just lit him up. It was really the last thing that he was able for. And that was all thanks to Make-A-Wish.
Within 3 weeks from that point, he passed, sadly. You know, there's something nice as well that your son, that hundreds of thousands, even millions of people on social media get a glimpse of your child before he leaves the world.
A moment for him, but it was memory for a lifetime for us. It's a bit of Michael magic. Thank you, Make-A-Wish.
I think you maybe have to be in the situation to realise how important even a little boost is for a kid who's suffering. The boost we got from Make-A-Wish was, you know, just an amazing fillip for Michael and for us as well at a time when we really needed it. Priceless, really.
If you find that you are in the same situation that we found ourselves in, please contact Make-A-Wish. Pick up the phone, submit the application. They are a wonderful organisation. They will do everything for you. They will make it so easy for you, as they did for us. And what we got from that initial contact with Make-A-Wish exceeded all of our expectations.